Ooh. I'm doing a little bit faster today. Let's do this. Been a while. It's kind of chilly around this side. Mhm. It's kind of chilly. Chilly, chilly. Whew. Down the river looks gorgeous. Down the river looks peaceful. Down the river looks amazing. Yeah. Down the river, look at Amazon. I never see any delivery that is so successful as Amazon. Look at the river, so peaceful. Half an hour walk is what I have. Step, 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 step. Ooh, ooh, step, steps. So peaceful. It's getting a little bit cooler. Oh, watch there now. Look how we're going to see train. Train is coming. Hi. Hi, afternoon. Uh-oh, oh, it's Jackie. But we're gonna be seeing train now. Train is coming, baby. The train is coming. Guys, I took a break. We had Olympics and that mash up my schedule and mash up my head. Jackie, Nationa, welcome, welcome. Let me show you guys the train. Train is coming down. Are you guys seeing the train? Are you guys seeing the train? It's a cargo. It's a cargo. It's a cargo. It's a cargo. Yes, it's a huge cargo. Yes, it's a cargo. Mm-hmm. Ooh, all our foods and goods coming in. All our foods and goods coming in. Guys, it's a huge one. See it? All our food and goods are rolling in. Woo! Yeah! Rolling, 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 rolling. Rolling. Guys, hold 1 second. Let me see if I can get a video. Alright, guys. Oh, hi, Jackie. Good to see you. Good to see you. But the car, jeez. So, yes, guys. The train is rolling in with our food and clothes and everything supply rolling in. And it's a huge one. It's a long one. It's a long one. See you later, Jackie. It's a long one. Nashana, share the live, please. Share the live. Share the live. And it coming to an end soon. Yeah. this train is rolling, 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 rolling. I love when I come and I see the train. It's so excited. So excited. Yeah, and this is the back of it now. So the river is in the middle and the train track is on the outside of it, not the inside. Yeah. And we are on the other side of the river. So there you have it. There you have it. The train has ended and the train is left. Yes, so I'm going back to my routine walk. Hope you guys enjoyed that view. Okay, so yeah, I'm going back to my routine. My half an hour. Yeah, almost done. Almost done. It's almost done. Yeah, so that was a little excitement on the river. That was a little excitement on the river. So guys, yes, as I was saying, Olympics came and went just like that. I'm praying and hoping that LA did do a better job of Olympics than Paris. Because I don't know where did I keep over Paris. I don't know what was keeping. Guys, this is the opening ceremony and the closing ceremony. Lord God. Me don't know. But it came and went. We got how many medals? Maybe 6 medals. Compared to our 12 and our 13. And we how much in gold? We only get 1 gold. Yeah. But let us big up our athletes. They serve us well throughout the years. And this year when we get the little disappointment, we treat them badly. But big up to all our athletes, Shelly and Sharika, all of you. We appreciate you. And we love you now. Okay? You guys are the face of Jamaica. And I want to tell you all thanks for your wonderful support. Shelly-Ann, I think maybe this is our last year of Olympics. Yeah, just want to big her up. Woolmeran all the way. Yoo! Agi Kwagagis. Yeah, my daughter went to Woolmer, so how many years? I think it's 7. 5 and 2, 6 form. So yes, being a parent, you automatically become a Woolmeran, yeah? So big up Shelly. Yeah, man. I remember when my daughter used to go Woolmer, she used to say, Mommy, one girl, I run sports there and she run right left everybody. That time it was Shelly-Ann. Yeah. Yep. So we have to give them all the support they need. Big up to our gold medalists. Yeah. What's his name again? Kishane. Big him up. Big up to our silver medalists. And our bronze. Broadbell. And who else? One bronze we get. I don't remember the next person, you know. Oh God, when I start calling name for. Whew. Yeah, so big up all our medalists from this Olympics. Thank you. Thank you for all that you do. We appreciate you guys, okay? Thank you guys for coming in. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. Yeah. Whew. Look at the beautiful grounds. Beautiful grounds. Yeah. I'm taking a little. I can maybe walk a little more around, even though I feel tired already. I'm telling you something, guys. When you start something, don't stop. Because to start again, it's harder. If you even for do half of the full journey where you used to do that. Because now, I just feel so lethargic because whenever I did a walk couple days. Yeah. But I'm gonna finish this strong. I'm gonna finish. I'm gonna finish. All the convertible and low line vehicle come out this summer. And then again last week I think we had mostly rain in the afternoon. So yeah. But the sky is blue and pretty behind me. Making use of the sunshine while it lasts. Yeah. The road there. Big road out there, so big road. Big road. Big road. Big road. I'm not do badly, man. I may breathe properly. So that not bad. And the sun kind of warm this side. Ooh. The sun is kind of warm this side, guys. But I'm doing it. Whew. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna finish strong. I'm going to finish strong. I am going to finish strong. I am going to finish. It's not easy to walk in the sun, you know. It's better to exercise in the morning when it's nice and cool. But to do this in the sun, kind of hard, but let them play football. What about the man them who have to work in the sun, on the roof, construction, all of them things there. So, and we just do it for maybe an hour We not the sun for. And we are cry about it. We can do it, man. Fire truck. All right. A little shade, a little shade, a little shade. A little shade. Whew, this is so heavenly. Ah, this shade is so heavenly. Let me show you guys. This shade is so heavenly. So heavenly. It's a bunch of trees. I'm showing you from this angle. It's a bunch of trees will just come and over us. It's a bunch of trees. And that's so good. Whew. Whew. It's a bunch of trees. Whew. Whew. Guys, and that's the end of my walk. That's the end of my walk, guys. So thank you for joining. Thank you for sharing. If you're having a birthday, happy birthday. If you're having an anniversary, happy anniversary to you. Big up on yourself. If you're not celebrating a special day, thank you so much for joining. Not bad at all. I look forward to seeing you all next time. Bye.